Hello, it's Barrier with Breached. Right here I have LilOlLok. Gonna join the same competition, see how many he can open. Say hi.
Hi, I'm LilOlLok, and I'm going to try picking as much locks as I can.
Go and grab your tools.
Okay.
You can put your tensioner in, but not your pick yet. If you need a tensioner, you can have your pick in your hand.
Okay.
And then tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. We'll talk about what you're doing and stuff.
So I'm doing a competition with my brothers and my sisters, and whoever picks the most locks gets a prize. I'm gonna see how many locks I can pick, and each lock is worth a different amount of
You should show it in the camera that you got it unlocked.
a different amount of points.
You got one, dude.
I got one.
Put it over the side. We're gonna grab another one. You can keep talking. Just grab another one.
So, just gonna pick as much as I can. Oh, there I go. Got another one.
Set it over there.
And did this one actually. Okay, this is worth 7 points. Gonna see if I can get this one. My dad's taught me a lot about being about picking locks. So, I think I might be able to get some of these.
Have you ever picked that one before?
No, I haven't.
We'll go to ones you know how to pick so you get your points up.
Okay. Gonna set this down for a little bit. Get the master lock. Wait, is it a master?
Good job. Your tension is upside down, I think. No, you're not. Okay.
There, I got it.
You did do it, didn't you?
Yep.
Alright. Dude, you still got 26 minutes left.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Did I get it already?
Good. Did you?
Oh, I got it already.
Good job. Set over there. Go to the next one.
Wonder how many points I have. Which one should I do next? I am going to be using a different pick.
I have the best luck with this one, but you can use whatever you want.
Yep.
And then if that don't work, switch them up. Try another one. Okay?
Yep. is worth 10 points, so might get it soon. I think I overset some of these.
Try the new pick.
Okay.
It helps you really shove the pins up in there that are hard to pick.
Go reset it.
Feel the hard ones?
Yeah.
You hear the click when you push it all the way up? But you don't push it up too far. The click, stop. Don't push all the way up. Okay?
Yep. I think I got it. No, I think I got one of the...
Try close.
I might want to try another one here soon. That's...
I have opened it with that pick.
You have?
Mm.
I think I might have overset a few of these.
Push on the tension harder for a second. Real hard. Okay, now let off the tension a little bit. Like you did have it. Did you? I think you let off too much. Heard it click. I think it reset some pins. And I used that tension.
I'm going to use a different tensioner.
Just keep going at it until your timer goes off, okay, bud?
Okay.
You unlock it, go to a new one, okay?
Yep.
I'll be back. I'll let you sit down here and concentrate.
Okay.
Take your time. Do not give up until that timer goes off. Switch tools, switch tensioners. Every once in a while, let go of the tension. You know what I'm saying? Barely let go of it to drop a pin you might have overset. That way only one pin drops, and put the tension right back on.
So that's done. Next one up. This is kind of flimsy. I'm gonna try this one. if you haven't already, subscribe and leave a comment down below to barrier breached, and just if you can't, just give as much support as you can. Again, my name is LilOlLok. I think I've got, the master lock was worth 3 points. The other master lock was worth, I don't know. I'll check when I'm done picking this one. This one's pretty hard. I am going to try a different lock. I'll try that one in a few. I was good, a pretty girl, starting conversations, all her mouth ends up turning green. This is worth 7 points. Actually, I will try this one. See if I'm going to get it. I'm going to use a different tensioner. Oh, this goes all the way through. That's surprising. Going to switch to the tensioner I was using before. Trying a different lock.
Have you ever got that one before?
This one?
Yep.
No.
Huh?
This is my first time trying. Well, I've tried a few times with this lock.
This works in it. Rocking it and raking it.
Nice. I'll try.
Rock it as you're pulling it in and out. Roll slow in, roll slow out. Roll slow in, roll slow out. Hardest part about this lock is the tension.
How hard do you have to do the tension?
I mean, hard enough to where it's moving the shackle all the way over. But then, like as soon as it moves the shackle over, you immediately want to stop. Okay? So push. See how it's moving it?
Yeah.
And then as soon as it stops moving it, you want to stop. To where you got tension right there, holding it just there, just perfect. To where it's got light tension to where you can feel. You know what I mean? Then every once in a while, you got to push down kind of hard. Okay? To see if you got it unlocked yet or not. Because it takes quite hard tension to actually open it once it's picked. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. How much is this worth?
15.
15, yeah. Did Eden try this one?
Yeah, I think so. Push harder. Did you unlock it? Push harder. I thought you unlocked it.
Me, I thought
No.
I did too.
You're probably close. That's a tricky lock, man.
Ugh, I'm trying to get it.
Well, you got plenty of time. Work at it.
I do have plenty of time. Oh, I thought I got it.
There, once in a while, try depth tension. Like, do it a little bit harder and try it. Push it a little bit harder and try it. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And then do it a little bit lighter and try it. For at least 30 to 45 seconds. Keep it held real tight and try it. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And then let go of it just a little bit. Then try it. And then let go of it just a little bit more to where you barely have tension and try it. You know what I'm saying? And you end up getting the feel for it. What?
Oh, I thought I got it. I can't take it out.
Rock it out.
Yeah, that's the thing. I've got every lock except for about 5. I'm gonna start on a different lock.
Go ahead. You can do what you want.
Okay.
I'd make your next one, though, your final pick. And stay at it until you get it done, though.
Then I tried a different one. Do I use the
Yeah, you
big side of the
can.
tension?
If you can still fit your tool in there to work at the pins, then yes.
Oh. That means it's getting over with. This is kind of an easy one.
We'll see. Just keep working at it, though. Don't give up. this one. That's another good one that you can kind of use as a rake too.
Do you think the bigger side is better for that one?
Probably. That way you're getting a good turn on the core. You know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
Look at your tension tool. Okay, never mind. It's okay. It's okay. Keep working at it until the timer goes off. When the timer goes off, flying down here in time, show every lock you picked and the points it's worth, add it up and say your final score. Okay?
Yeah.
And then tell everybody have a good night, be safe, whatever you want to say, okay?
Okay.
Then press stop.
It's pretty hard. Okay. This might be my final lock because the timer's almost up. Just about 5 minutes left on it, I'd say. think it's binding here. Remember, this is my final lock because there's only about 3 minutes. I got it! Got it.
The next one.
That's cool.
Alright, do your next one.
I'm gonna switch the tension out. Is this hard because the tension is too big?
Maybe.
I mean, I can't even fit it in there.
Yeah, you might not be able to do that one. Do it, pick it up one.
I will pick...
Hurry, you're out of time.
No, I can't pick that one.
Well, I got enough time to do one of these two. So pick.
Whew.
Okay.
Oh, timer's up.
Tools and locks down.
Okay, so the first lock is a warded lock. It was worth 2 points, so that's 2 points. The second one's also a warded lock. This was also worth 2 points, so that's 4 points. The next lock was worth 10 points, so that's 14 points. The next lock is worth 6 points, so that's 20 points. And the next lock is a master lock, and it is worth 3 points, so 23 points. So this is LilOlLok, and have a good night.